Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a pantry staple that every chef swears by, Cento crushed tomatoes, specifically their San Marzano variety. If you're looking for the best crushed tomatoes to enhance your dishes, you've come to the right place. These 28-ounce cans of Cento crushed tomatoes are not just any tomatoes. They are sourced from the legendary San Marzano region of Italy. Renowned for their rich flavor and low acidity, San Marzano tomatoes are the gold standard in the culinary world, perfect for sauces, soups, and stews. Let's take a closer look at what makes these tomatoes so special. As I pour them out, you can see the deep red color and thick, rich texture. The consistency is perfect for creating that luscious sauce that clings beautifully to pasta. The aroma is absolutely intoxicating. You can immediately smell the freshness, which is a testament to Cento's commitment to quality. Each can is packed with vine-ripened tomatoes, ensuring that you get the best flavor in every bite. Whether you're making a traditional marinara sauce or rich bolognese, these crushed tomatoes will take your dish to the next level. Now, you might be wondering how Cento stacks up against other brands. While there are many crushed tomatoes available, what sets Cento apart is their dedication to quality. They have stringent quality assurance processes, which means every can you open meets their high standards. You can taste the difference. Here's a simple dish I whipped up using these tomatoes, a classic spaghetti marinara. Just look at that color. It not only looks inviting but smells amazing too. The sweetness of the tomatoes perfectly balances the garlic and herbs, creating a robust flavor profile that will have your family coming back for seconds. These crushed tomatoes aren't limited to pasta dishes. You can use them in casseroles, chili, or even as a base for homemade pizza. The versatility is unmatched, and having a pack of these in your pantry means you're always ready to whip up something delicious. One of the great things about Cento crushed tomatoes is their affordability. A pack of 12 28-ounce cans offers incredible value for the quality you're getting. It's a staple that should be in every home cook's arsenal. Plus, they're vegetarian, gluten-free, and contain no preservatives, just pure, simple ingredients. In summary, Cento crushed tomatoes are the best choice for anyone looking to enhance their cooking with authentic Italian flavor. They provide that perfect balance of sweetness and acidity that transforms any dish into a culinary masterpiece. If you're serious about your cooking, these tomatoes are a must-have. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product reviews that can elevate your kitchen game, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking!